Isipin ko yung guard.
O sige. Where do you study?
I study? Hindi makalimutan yung answer na.
Sige.
It's a very high school.
It's a very high school.
Have you eaten already?
Ana?
Have you eaten already?
No, I eat already. It's a very...
It's a very high.
Yes.
Have you
Yes.
back yet?
No, ulit.
Who do you love?
Who do you love? I love. Wag ka umalis.
Where's your mother?
In the farm.
In the farm, you know that?
Right now.
She planted rice.
He planted rice.
Yeah. What's your favorite music?
Song.
Don't corny. Don't be corny.